Hello, what's up, guys? How are you, everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today, I have one Volkswagen Torque, and this car have a problem. When I start car, traction light on. You can see here, traction light on, and warning light came inside for zero stabilization control and coolant owner manual. So, why this warning light came, I will show you today. See, okay, and when I check with my diagnosis tool, you can see here steering column electronics, one fault is there. So check which fault. Trouble code, steering angle sensor faulty. So if your car steering angle sensor damaged, that warning light came. Okay, so steering angle sensor came here in steering column. Okay, there is a wire, see. So in this car steering angle sensor damage, that's why steering stabilization warning light came. So you have to replace this steering angle sensor. Okay, thank you.